playing at a motion picture theater near you.
Do you like what you do for a living? These things you see?
You have to wear blinders sometimes. Most times.
Detective William Somerset is looking for a way out.
You're retiring. 6 more days and you're all the way gone.
For how long have you lived here?
Too long. Detective David Mills is looking for a way in.
We'll be spending every waking hour together from now until the time I leave. I'll show you who your friends and enemies are.
Look, I'm on homicide 5 years. Not here.
Now,
Homicide's a homicide.
they're caught in a game.
No fingerprints, no witnesses of any kind.
Nope.
About the only thing we know about that guy right now is he's totally insane.
Where the price of sin is death.
There are 7 deadly sins. Gluttony,
You want to come take a look at this?
greed,
No one touches anything.
sloth, wrath, pride, lust, and envy. 7. You can expect 5 more of these.
Body was found on Tuesday morning.
I hate this city.
We're gonna get who did this.
This will be the very definition of swift justice. There are 2 more bodies, 2 more victims.
This guy's methodical, exacting, and worst of all, patient.
He's laughing at us.
He had a gun.
He's 2 murders away from completing his masterpiece.
Let's finish it.
Brad Pitt, Morgan Freeman, Gwyneth Paltrow.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
No.
7.
Coming soon from New Line Home Video.
In each of us, there burns the fury of a warrior. In every generation, are chosen to prove it.
One of you 3 will decide the outcome of the tournament.
3 strangers will travel to the mystical realm of our world to defend our people against Shang Tsung and his forces of darkness. In an ancient tournament, one more victory. Your soul is mine, and our world is theirs.
It has begun!
You can't run from me, Shan.
I don't need to run. Combat begins.
Prepare yourself for the most revolutionary animation ever in the world premiere of Mortal Kombat, the animated video. Forget virtual reality. You were there in this awesome PG-rated direct-to-video animated adventure of a lifetime. Get next to the coolest and hottest characters anywhere. Buy the video and you'll also get the making of Mortal Kombat, the live-action movie, plus secret combat codes and a free watch offer. Mortal Kombat, the animated video. Only $14.98, rated PG.
explosive action.
Shall we up the stakes?
Shall we say 10,000?
How about $250,000?
Pierce Brosnan returns in Detonator 2, Nightwatch.
Would you say this job will be pushing?
You could say that.
Huh?
Here and there.
Hong Kong, 1995. A city at the edge of the world.
Going to activate one ship.
Total information meltdown.
For every scandal has a hidden motive.
Who would think a thunderstorm in Hong Kong could make such a mess?
I think it's more than a thunderstorm.
And every secret has a deadly price.
As you can see, with one satellite, we can eavesdrop on worldwide telecommunications, or at the proper moment, destroy whatever systems you use.
Two agents have uncovered an international crime.
Oh, that would make it showtime.
And they're the only ones who can expose the conspiracy behind it all.
When the eavesdropping phone gets the signal, bingo.
The danger is building. The clock is ticking. And time is running out.
Lift off.
Detonator 2, Nightwatch from New Line Home Video.
Coming from New Line Home Video, it has the sci-fi thrills of Species and the action-packed suspense of Alien. Get out of there! Prepare yourself for Project Shadowchaser 3000. On a routine mission, the crew of Kombat 5 discovers a mysterious ship.
She's giving off some kind of repeat emergency signal.
What's that?
It's an international warning code to not enter under any circumstances.
Now,
She's gonna hit us. Grab something and hold on.
they're about to collide with the unknown.
So now we've got a 40 megaton nuclear bomb on the top of us.
Inside lies a terrifying threat.
Damn, this place gives me the creeps.
More frightening than they ever dreamed.
I saw someone or something.
And more deadly than they ever imagined.
The only thing we have to be concerned about is staying alive.
It can invade your body within a blink of an eye
What seems to be the trouble, Major?
and destroy your soul within seconds.
It ain't human.
So if you're looking for adventure,
We don't have much time now.
searching for thrills, then hold on. Project Shadowchaser 3000 is ready for action on video cassette from New Line Home Video. And now, our feature presentation.